Before we get started, subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if this video helped. Okay, I'm going to show you how to find the version of Microsoft or Windows that you're using on your PC. It's pretty easy to do. Only thing you need to do is go down here under the search, and click it, and type settings. And click on the settings. And go right here where it says Systems, Display Notification Apps, and Power. Click on it. And you want to scroll down to the bottom and hit About. Once you hit the About, this right here tells you the edition is Windows 10 Enterprise. You also can find out your RAM memory, your system type, and everything. So that's all to it, but I'm going to show you a simpler way. Go to the search again and type WinVR, and you see right here, this pops up, the run command. You click on it, and right here it will show you the Windows, and it tells you your version and everything. So that's all to it. And if this video helped, again, subscribe to my channel and have a great day. Thank you.